What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Roblox, and our game we're gonna play is what are we gonna play? Oh yeah, it's the Black Tycoon. Yeah, just kidding. We're gonna play realistic sinking ship. So yeah, let's go. Habiba!
I want to eat so bad. I want to. I thought that was Sonic. This ain't Sonic. Let the dogs out.
Back! Oh, there's an oh! We have Megalodon now. So, there's someone will show up in here in and will be each be somewhat around. Okay? I'm just kidding, I don't have Robux. And I don't know what button to go. Is this we're going to the hallway? Alright. Oh, never mind. It's not very I can go outside. Okay, never mind. Oh, we have a captain called Gamer Fortnite. Oh, piano. Oh, so there's a lot of people in here. The plane haven't get. I mean, what? Plane? The ship haven't. It's not sinking yet, but yes. We're gonna play the piano. Come on. Oh, when I just finished doing the piano, the plane is getting sick. Oh, it's getting tilted. Oh, what happened to this? Can I go out? The invisible wall? Why is there a window floating because there's a invisible wall? Why am I in the same now? Oh, cracking. So there's dirt over. What is happening in this ship now? There's invisible walls coming for this water. Oh, it's gas. It's not gas. I'm not gonna say that triple six. It's red B and yellow B. I say it red B because there's no red B, so I have to say yellow B, but it's just a B. So I don't know why I say yellow B, but it's the color of the B. So what am I even saying? Okay, oh my god. What is it? It's getting sick. Oh shit, it's getting sick. I need to escape. Oh no, turn left! And we're crashing! Turn right! I love it, turn. Alright, we're staying here, boys. Never mind. Nothing. Yeah, we're gonna play the one of my most favorite games in the world. That's the first game, the Realistic Sinking Ship. Oh my god. And our next game is gonna be the Strongman Simulator. I'm already sitting. I don't need to do that. Give me the egg. Hey yo, this eggplant is soft. This gave me a lot of energy. Let's see if I can do this. Yep, I cannot. Oh wait, oh can we do it? We still have one more of my favorite game. So yeah. This is taking so long. Almost there in the finish line. There we go. We're through the finish line and we have to wait until the vegetables get through. You know what? I think I'm not enough for the farm, so yeah. Let me get back here. Oh my god. Anyways, guys. Hey. Hello. Hi. Wanna join me? I'm recording a video. Say hi. Hi. I got pain. Pen? I got the pin. I'm playing super. I got rubber. Rubber. No, I don't like that. But I got a code. Okay. Do you got Dark Blade V2? No, I don't have. I have one. Yeah, okay, but did you have in Roblox? /eDarkBlade V2.
Okay. Well, I have a new code.
Eh,
My code is sub to Uncle Kizaru.
I already did that.
Oh, did that?
Cookie! Yes!
Did you reset your stats?
I'm recording a video, so yeah. No, I didn't record my stats. And this is just my second favorite game, guys. So our other video, okay. Another game, my favorite is 3008. If you wanna play 3008,
Later na.
okay.
So I'm going to rest. I will play 3008 later na.
Okay. What level are you in Blacksmith?
What? What are you doing? Why are you laughing like that?
I have disease, bro.
Okay, so I'm level 1073. Well, my saber is so strong na. Never mind that. When I got insect V2, I can find the food of intimacy. What are you? Why here you go?
Oh my god. This loading is
Tutubo na yung game pa.
There we go, guys. It's loaded. Why am I leaving? Why is this happening to me? Like, what is wrong with me?
Because you're coughing.
I'm not coughing.
It's
a spirito na dito tong Kiko.
Wait, I'm in black screen.
I'm in Chong Chong.
Okay.
Why are you laughing like that?
Nothing. I can.
I'm at Chong Chong King Kong.
Chung. I reset my health is so strong now.
I'm at Ching Ching Kong Kong. I'm King King Kong Kong. Skin.
That's why I did not waken my light,
Bruh.
Did you just waken it?
And me, ano man yung gabi ko ba?
Okay.
Why am I keep doing this? What is happening to me? Ow! There we go.
No!
Bruh, why do you shout? What are you shouting? What are you shouting for?
Bro, I just killed the thunder god, bro.
You killed that sum.
No, it's a thunder god.
It's a Ling. Ling.
But did you guys still have flash trap yet?
No. I have it. I don't like Blacksmith already, right?
Why?
No. Developer have it updated. Have it like updated
What?
Blacksmith and Dragon Rework is not finished. Like, what is wrong with you?
Bro. I love Blix fruit.
I love Bloom Fruit.
What are you doing with your funny names? You just
I have Gibson one.
bro.
I have Gibson.
I got a pain.
I got the pain.
I got pain sound and warrior helmet or love fruit.
What?
Because I
Chong Chong King Kong Sing lang. Shangwang Kwang. Sangin Kwang.
What are you doing?
I'm saying Japanese.
Jupa. I can say brisable.
Yeah, tuyu. Why are you laughing like that?
Tulo, tulo.
Tulo, tulo. Singkwang, kingkwang.
I cannot see your camera, bro. Open it.
Wow.
Why?
I'm busy doing my base, but okay.
Bruh.
Let me turn on my computer.
Okay.
I can't turn it on because I'm making a video.
Okay.
I love kring kong.
What is that?
What?
Yo, what is that?
What's that?
This is a sign in the screen. I saw the screen.
I send the screen.
Yeah, you just saw video.
Oh my god! No. I have some difficulties.
I killed that guy, bro.
Guys, I have some difficulties right now. I'm stuck in a small place, and I look skinny. But I'm fat. How can I even fit in here?
Wait, how you're playing?
I am playing.
What you're playing?
The 3008.
Okay, I will join you. I will join you now. I can be like with the weak. Malak with the wakan boy.
Oh my god!
I joined you.
The store is now
Help!
Please exit the building.
Bullet, I joined you.
Okay.
Because I'm your time because I saw you're playing 2008, but I just don't.
Ciao!
Ciao.
Xiao Lao.
Chile.
Timbro.
Ohio.
Salaro. Oh
Cirilo. Cibrero. Cibrelli. No! Oh no. No, I fell down. Wait lang. No, I fell down. Wait, I will leave first. Wait lang. I just killed he killed the employee. Wait lang. I will join ya. Bullet, why did you change your name?
because I am cranking.
Okay. Why did you change the name? Why did you change it?
Because I am cranking, right?
Okay.
Because I'm Shing Shong.
Okay. Why sing-song ka dyan?
Sing Blau. Sing Clow.
Singwe.
Ano?
Singwe.
Single.
Singbrido.
Singular.
Sibrite.
Saruto.
Sibrido.
Ano daw?
Sibrido.
Sibraruru.
Sibrusible.
Sibrusible. Ripa. Ripa. Shanlankwe. Kling kling klang.
Ding 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 ding. Chuminana.
Ano? Suminana?
Wait, I will go back. I will go over there. May food dyan?
No.
May... meron pa rin food.
You free?
What?
I do not see it.
What?
I don't know where you are.
What? Where are you?
I'm at the Singkwao.
Where? Why you're...
Singkwao is an island.
Why you're not here pala? Oh, you're just there. I told you. You're there pala. You're there pala. You're still there. you're taking a video. How did you video it?
I'm a YouTuber, so rocket flaps.
Are you gonna show it? No, I fell.
Shangwe.
Kingui.
Repeat after me. Shangwe.
Kangui.
Mingling.
Kingui.
Say that in fast. Now say it.
What?
Now say it.
Kingdom. Sharin Eye.
Ano?
Sharin Eye ang nasabi ko.
Latwang, kring, kwang, sing, kwang, kling, kling. Loto. Ha?
Going to...
Sino ay malakas dito? Ni, Sigma.
Yo! Ang Sigma.
Sigma Riz.
Sigma is like that.
Skeptical.
Skip to my left.
Ano? Skeptical. O, roto.
But I'm going to change the rainbow light. Bullet, where are you? You're in the base?
I'm building a base.
I found the base because I'm going to stay here.
I found a base. A Lato, it has billion food.
Oh my god.
I'm joking.
My god. Yo. Come on, stop na. Ay, hindi pa.
Guys, you know why I'm doing this because you know why you only see my hair because it's time to do this.
Yan, para ganito.
Ano?
Parang gindi. Parang boy.
Shangboy. Luto, seto. Why you laughing like an old man?
Bro, what? Ano old man ka dyan? You're just, you're
Topping? Topping ping? Si Ping Ping?
chilling.
Ano, mama?
No, chilling eh, sabi ko, ice cream.
Pinchili ka dyan? Pinch Wally.
Tungling. Tunggak. No! Oh, my employee?
No. You see, it's a morning. The voice doesn't kill you when it's morning.
Hey you, did you see me? Bullet? Did you see me?
Did you steal that, Shiska?
Dapat magla-ladder siya. Or unladder. Are you in YouTuber? You're taking
Yes.
a okay. Bakit pangit to? Ang pangit!
Sino ang pangit? Ako?
Hindi, yung base. Makugulo siya.
Base na pangit?
Oo, base na pangit eh.
Pangit palang base, eh?
Kasi nagulo yung base niya. Kaya
And this is the end, guys. Hope you guys enjoy.